Make sure to ask these 5 questions when you walk through your next open house. Number 1, you want to make sure that you ask the question, hey, how old are the major systems in this house? And what do I mean by that? I mean, you want to know, hey, how old is this HVAC furnace at this house? How about the roof? Is it 5 years old or 20 years old? And hey, has this plumbing been updated anytime lately? So make sure that one of the big questions you ask is, hey, can you tell me roof age, HVAC age, and all that good stuff? Systems matter. Ask that question. Number 2, you want to ask about those taxes. Hey, how much are the annual taxes here? I'll tell you this, here in the Greenville, South Carolina area, there is a pretty wide range of differences in taxes, and it's not really where you would expect it. Downtown Greenville, yeah, that's pretty high taxes, but there are some suburbs here in the Greenville area that are going to be way higher than you think it is. So number 2, make sure to ask about those taxes, because again, $1,500 a year is a lot different than $4,000 a year. And that can make or break that house right away. Ask about those taxes. Does this neighborhood have an HOA? Is this home part of an HOA association? Why? Some of my buyers want to be in an HOA community. Why? Because it's going to make sure that houses are kept up, community feel is there, all that good stuff. But I have a lot of buyers that want no part of an HOA. Why? Because they do not want anyone telling them what they can do and can't do. So number 1, make sure that you know where you want to be, or if you care. Number 2, once you figure out, hey, I want to be in an HOA community or I don't, let's ask that question when you walk in the open house. And then if it is part of an HOA community, ask the follow-up question, hey, can I see those covenants and rules so that you know exactly what you're getting into, what you can do and what you can't do. And then finally, follow-up question to that is, hey, now that we know we're in an HOA, what are my dues, either monthly or annually, and what do I get with that other than a lot of rules, right? Do I get cool pool, sidewalks, trails, or do I get lights paid for and some common area insurance? So it's there, but make sure to ask, hey, is this home in an HOA community? Number 3. And number 4, I'm going to ask, hey, how is this location? Yeah, we can all check Google Maps and we can see it's 12 minutes to downtown Simpsonville, 28 minutes to downtown Greenville and all that good stuff. But I want to really know how that seller lived in this house and functioned. Where did they go eat? Where do they do their shopping? How far is it? How far are the kids' schools? Where's the best playground at? And all that good stuff, right? A lot of times we can get online and what looks close or what looks far from where we want to be may or may not really be the truth. So number 4, make sure to ask, hey, how did that seller really live, not only in the house, but in their community? Where'd they go eat? Where did they shop? Where did they live? Ask that question, number 4. Number 5, I'm going to ask, hey, why is your seller actually leaving this house? Why are they making the move? Is it job? Is it family related? Is it downsizing? Or do they have to make the move and they have to make this quick? Why do we want to ask that question? Because motivations and incentives matter, right? If you find out somehow that they have to make this move quick, then you as the buyer have a little bit of leverage in that offer. Now, I will tell you this, that open house host, the listing agent, they do not have to share with you that answer, but I'm always going to try to ask that question just to see that if I, as the buyer or as the buyer's agent, if we can just get any information. The more information that we have as a buyer, hey, the better prepared we are when we write that offer and the why of why we are writing the offer. So that's number 5. Ask them, hey, why is your seller moving? All right, hope that helps. That's 5 questions that you got to make sure you ask at the next open house you visit. We'll see what we come up with tomorrow. Adios. Bye.